So now let's see how we can work around with the echo and posterize time effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under FX right here. And then what I can do is I can expand this out, and then over here I can go to time. And here you can see that echo is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag around the echo over here on my particular footage, right now nothing seems to have happened right here. But as I go around and change around the echo time right here, you can see that I can go around. Let me just go around and say -2, let's say for example. And then what happens is that that is what you have. So two videos are overlaid, as you can see. You can also go around and change around the number of echoes right here, just like this. And then what happens is that instead of 2, you're going to have 4 echoes right here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around and change around the intensity as well, and change around the decay over here as well. So echo operates as add, but you can go for maximum right here, you can go for minimum over here, you can go for screen over here, just like this, and so forth, as you can see. So this is what you have right here. So if I were to press the play button right here, just like this, then this is the echo that you have right here, the echo effect. So that is how you can add in the echo effect. And let me just go around and delete it. And if I were to go to effects right here, then another option that I have is posterize time. So if I were to click and drag this out right here, then what happens is that I can go around and change around the frame rate right here, just like this. Over here, and then if I were to go around and press the play button right here, just like this, then you can see that it is more like a poster. It decreases out the frame rate right here, and the interval is 3.4 seconds. So that is how you can work around with echo and posterize time effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.